Welcome to Padlet. Padlet is a tool that allows learners and teachers to collaborate online by posting text, images, links, documents, videos, and voice recordings. This is an easy to use tool and a useful application to keep on track and updates of the students' progress in class. In language learning, it can be used to teach vocabularies and practice speaking skills through recordings. One asset of Padlet is its ability to have word games. So Padlet is useful in developing the students' vocabularies with word games. The teacher will post the word and can also provide definition and other words related to the words. As for the students, they can write their answers or questions in the Padlet so that the teacher can receive their answers. One of the features of Padlet is its voice recording. One of the activities that we can do using this tool is tongue twister, wherein the teacher will post the text and the students will record themselves while reading the tongue twister text. This activity is useful in teaching correct pronunciation and enunciation of words. Overall, Padlet is easy and fun to use with students and teachers. It is simple to set up and a great way to map out ideas as a group. A blog comes from the word web and log and is a tool that is kept by one person who shares and posts his or her thoughts and experiences to a web page. A post may consist of written text, images, video, and audio recordings. Blogging provides opportunities for the students to practice their communication and conversation skills when they are posting their ideas or insights and when they give or post comments and feedback on their blogs. This tool can also encourage the students to express their ideas and creativity, and lastly, practice their writing skills.
Another example of Web 2.0 application is Kahoot. It is an example of a game-based learning, and it motivates and activates the students' learning as it can test their knowledge, reiterate important concepts, and help them retain information. With the use of this tool, the teacher can create class discussions and student-to-student interaction. There are also other creations that we can discover as the teacher can use as references and the students can answer while they are using the application. One of its features is that the teacher can also monitor the student's score and progress as it shows the scores obtained by the students in class. The sample activities that we can use for language learning using this app are word games, fill-in-the-blanks activities, and puzzles. Moving on, one of the example of Web 3.0 tools is podcasts. Podcasts are commonly found in Spotify, where there are countless of podcasts to choose from. There are also podcasts which are useful in improving and developing language learning. By integrating podcasts and language learning, the students can improve their listening skills and comprehension skills based on what they have listened to in the podcast. The language teacher can also create his or her own podcast where he or she can transmit information and course content by recording lectures and providing preparatory materials for the next lesson. Moreover, the teachers can also ask the students to listen to a certain podcast creator wherein they are going to listen to. In this sense, the teachers will act as the guide in leading the students to exploring new learning by listening to native English speakers.
I am Adan Grace Liso, and I will be discussing about two web tools that can be used in a language classroom, which are Educandy and Discord.
Educandy is a website and an app that can help users to rapidly create a short interactive learning activities. It enables teachers to create an attractive, fun, and engaging games for the students. Teachers just need to enter vocabulary lists or questions and answers, and the website converts this information into fun interactive games such as multiple choice, crossword puzzles, hangman, and other memory games, which can be played with the whole class or individually. When the teachers creates an activity, a unique code is generated which can then be shared with students so that they can play the games on their own devices. The created games can also be embedded into the teachers' websites. Sample activities would be unlocking vocabularies, spelling, and answering basic questions about the lessons that the teachers have discussed. For Web 3.0 tool, we have Discord. Discord is a free communication app that lets you share voice, video, and text chat with friends, game communities, and developers. In education, Discord offers a dedicated, free-to-use, invite-only class space. It has text channels to organize things like lessons, homework, or study group. It also has voice channels for both one-to-one or group discussion. Lessons can also be shared with up to 50 people at a time. Through Discord, teachers can organize a truly seamless, authentic learning space online, wherein students are able to collaborate through shared communication. Sample activities would be storytelling and poem recitation.